Sin nature is the lie that you believe. Sin nature says that Christ didn't do what Christ did. Sin nature is the thing that hinders your mind. The shortest sermon is turn to the Lord and live. And from the context of you were born a sinner is going to hinder that walk. It's going to divide your mind. And it's exactly what it's done. Now, here is what actually happened to you. You were born and you were not a sinner, but you were sin nurtured. Do you understand the difference? Turn to the Lord and live, not being ignorant of the truth.